Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make German soft pretzel rolls. You can form them into several shapes and they are especially good topped with cheese. They are much better than store-bought and will cost you only a few cents. There is a little bit of work involved, but it makes a great family activity. Even little hands can work with this dough easily. Bring the water to a boil, add the cold milk and the butter slices. Stir to melt the butter into the liquid. Add the flour, yeast, sugar and salt to a bowl and blend briefly. Now you just need to add the liquid to the bowl and knead for about 5 minutes to a smooth dough. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough raise for about 45 minutes or until the dough has doubled in size. Add the dough to a lightly floured countertop and knead briefly. Then divide the dough into 20 pieces. If you want to be sure they are equally sized, you can weigh the dough pieces. I just eyeball them. Flatten every piece and roll it up to get the traditional Laugenstange shape. Or try some other shapes like a snail, a knot or a small pretzel. There are lots of variation in the German bakeries. Be creative, it's fun. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and line the baking sheets with parchment paper. Bring the water to a boil and add the baking soda. Be careful as it will foam up. With a slotted spoon, add 2 or 3 rolls at a time into the water bath. Turn after 10 seconds for about 10 more seconds. Then remove the rolls from the water Allow the excess water to drip off and place them on the prepared baking sheets. With a sharp knife, score a slit into the top of each roll. Sprinkle them with cheese and/or salt. Then bake the rolls at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. The smell is so amazing that you will have a hard time waiting for them to come out of the oven. Guten Appetit!